Restore archive stories Instagram. All right, so follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Access the menu. Tap the three horizontal lines hamburger icon in the top right corner. Select Archive. From the menu, tap on Archive. This will show you all your archived content, including stories. Switch to Stories Archive. At the top of the screen, you might see options for Posts Archive or Stories Archive. Tap on Stories Archive to view all your archived stories. Find the story you want to restore. Scroll through the archived stories until you find the one you wish to repost or highlight. Restore or share the story. Tap on the story, then select the three dots in the bottom right corner. You can choose Share as Post or Save Photo to repost it as a new story or save it to your device for later use. Keep in mind that if a story was archived after 24 hours, it cannot be restored as a live story, but can still be saved or shared again. Enjoy sharing your memories. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.